Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic terminology of spur gear. This is very important topic for design of the gear, for manufacturing of the gear. So you must remember each and every point from this topic by heart. Also in your SPPU theory examination or in your practical examination or oral examination, this is very important topic. Also in your GATE or other technical examination, there are 2-3 questions based on terminology of gear. So watch the whole video and solve the question given at last slide. So let's start it. Terminology of spur gear. Now the first is pitch surface. Pitch surface is an imaginary rolling cylinder that replaced by tooth gear. Here we have the diagram. So the pitch surface is imaginary rolling cylinder. Now cylinder, when tooth is not there, the surface become the plane, so it represent or it looks like a cylinder. So it is an imaginary rolling cylinder that replaced by tooth gear. So here we have the video of spur gear. Now just imagine without the tooth, the surface is just like a cylinder, that is rolling cylinder. So our first term is pitch surface, and it is an rolling cylinder or imaginary rolling cylinder which replaced by the toothed gear. Now in case of pitch cylinder, the normal section of the pitch surface is called as pitch cylinder. It is one of the simplest definition of the pitch circle. When we cut this cylinder at normal plane or in normal plane, then it become a pitch circle. But the other important definition is it is an imaginary circle which by pure rolling action would give same motion as the actual gear. See in this video, here the white circle represent the pitch circle. Here is the white circle represent the pitch circle. Now pitch circle is what? An imaginary circle which by pure rolling action would transfer the same motion and power as the actual gear. Or for another definition, here we have one diagram where the two tooth of the gear meet each other. That contact point is called as pitch point, and locus drawn from that pitch point is called as pitch circle. I repeat, what is pitch circle? Pitch circle is an imaginary circle which by pure rolling action would give the same motion as that of actual gear, or locus drawn from the pitch point is called as pitch circle. The next is pitch circle diameter. The diameter of pitch circle is called as pitch circle diameter. Is as simple as that. One important thing in pitch circle diameter, that the size of gear is usually specified by pitch circle diameter. So the pitch circle is very important term in terminology of spur gear because it transfer the exact motion and power and gears specified by pitch circle diameter. Next is pressure angle, or it is also called as angle of obliquity. Now this is also very important term. Pressure angle is angle between common normal of two gear at a point of contact. Here is the common normal at a point of contact of two gear, and common tangent passing from the pitch point. Here we have this dotted line which is represent pitch circle of the one gear or gear 1, and this dotted line represent pitch circle of another gear. Okay, so these two circles meet over here, so that point become pitch point. So what is pressure angle? It is the angle between common normal at a point of contact and common tangent at pitch point. Here is the common tangent drawn at pitch point. So angle between this common normal at a point of contact and common tangent at pitch point is called as pressure angle. So in this video, here we have the pitch point and this is the common normal. Now when we draw a common tangent to the pitch point, or common tangent which is passes from the pitch point, then the angle between the common tangent and this line is called as pressure angle. Next is addendum. So here we have the toothed gear. This middle line is the pitch circle. This is the line which represents the pitch circle. Okay. Now what is addendum? Addendum is radial distance of the tooth from the pitch circle to the top of the tooth. It's called as addendum. It is radial distance from the pitch circle to the top of the tooth. It's called as addendum. Okay. And what is dedendum? Dedendum is the radial distance measured from pitch circle to the bottom of the tooth. So here we have the bottom circle of the tooth. So the dedendum is radial distance from pitch circle to the bottom of the tooth. Then addendum circle. Addendum circle is the circle drawn through the top of the teeth and which is concentric with the pitch circle. It is the circle drawn at the top of the teeth and it is concentric with the pitch circle. Then dedendum circle. This last circle is the dedendum circle. Dedendum circle is the circle drawn through the bottom of the teeth. It is also called as root circle, but it is not base circle. Dedendum circle and base circle both are the differ from each other, but dedendum circle is the root circle because dedendum circle is that circle which drawn from the bottom of the teeth. So these are the very basic terms used in spur gear. There are few more important terms, but we are going to split this terminology of spur gear into 3 parts. For today we will stop here. So here we have the gate questions. Read the question carefully and try to comment the answer.